Welcome back to another sunny day in Thailand. It's the last day of February and it's starting to get hot out there. But I've got a completely different style of video for you today. Now, you know me by now. I'm a gadget guy. I've got pretty much one of every kind of cool electronic gadget, except for one. What is it? It's a drone. My life is now complete. I bought the DJI Mini 2 drone. It is beautiful. It came with there's like a travel kit with the bag, 3 batteries, extra propellers, which will come in very handy. My initial goal was to actually do a monthly aerial survey of the new train construction out here for fun, because I really want that train to happen to get into Bangkok super fast. And I was mentioning it to a friend the other day, and he said, hey, you should go out and do some drone video at the racetrack. And it turns out there's an actual full-blown racetrack about an hour from Hua Hin. Here's the picture. It's butting up next to the Kaeng Krachan National Park, which is the largest national park in Thailand. The track is in a beautiful setting. It's a very high quality track for what you would expect. No digital timing and scoring kind of thing like that. But it's good for the needs. So here's some footage of when I went out to the track on the 27th of February. It's an all motorcycle day. There are 3 groups of riders, green, yellow, and red, based on self-perceived ability, and they just went out in session after session after session. I got some footage from various places around the track, and let's see what you think. Oh, and one other thing, the drone does not have a microphone in it. So, as much as we all enjoy the sound of screaming motorcycle engines, you're not going to hear any today. So I've downloaded and put on a YouTube approved soundtrack, which I generally hate when people do that, but there's no voiceover, just the images and a lovely little soundtrack to go along with it. So no complaints in the doodly-doo about motorcycle engine sounds. Hey, if you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my other content, I'd appreciate a subscribe. Take care and see you next time.